Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on StarTrader. First of all, what you need to do is you need to verify your account. So right here we go to verification and then make sure that you do all the 3 steps, because after that you can start trading, and that's exactly what we want. If we verify everything, then we click here on Start Trading. And then from here, we are now on the trading port. So let's click now on Euros and USD. And then right here, we have the chart supported by TradingView. So that is great. And from here, we can start trading. Right now, we have here right on our screen, the buy and the sell tab. So if you want to buy something, we click on buy. Right here, click on the volume that we want to buy. We can also click on Euros. Now, let's say we want to buy for 10,000 euros. Then right here, we can also click here on the percentage that we want to buy. So let's say we have $1,000 on our account. We can select with 20%, 200 euros. Now, then with that, we can click right here on buy. But the volume is invalid because I don't have money on my account. But when you click now here on buy, you can buy some nice volume right here on the chart. If you go here to sell, we can do exactly the same. So let's say we want to sell 20%. Then we do this. And then after this, we click here on sell, and then you can sell your position. Now you have also right here a stop or a limit order. So if you want to do that, you can click on that. And we have also here take profit and stop loss. So if you want to take profit on a price range, you can fill in right here to take profit. And if you want to stop loss, you can fill that in right there. Then the game starts with, you want to buy on a low price range and you want to sell on a high price range. So that's the game that you will play. So this is how you trade on StarTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.